I was supposed to be filming putting on this lipstick, but I hit the record button at a different time, so I didn't record. So, insert how to put on the Pat McGrath Full Trance lipstick. Here. It's really, it's my favorite lipstick. And then clean it up with your fingers, which I'm about to do, because I did that when I filmed earlier, and it went on. You'll see in a sec. Bye. Also, hi. This isn't bye yet. Bye comes later. Enjoy. Everything's falling. Alright, and so then to clean up, I just take a little toilet paper and try not to touch the zits I'm trying to conceal, because it's pretty easy to rub off concealer when you're doing this. And that's kind of it for the lipstick. This is Pat McGrath in Full Panic. It's a matte trance lipstick, and it's like the silkiest texture. Like, I can't do liquid mattes because this stuff has just spoiled me. And then for eyes, I just want to do a kind of like bare look, but I don't want it to be warm. Like, I'm not going for a bronzy look, I'm going for kind of like an undead taupey look. So I'm also going to use Pat McGrath, the Mothership 1 palette. It's the one with the blue in it. And I'm not going to do primer just because it's going to be solely on kind of the lid, almost like a liner, like a chunky liner. I blow off any excess. Or not a chunky liner, it's more just like creating more shadow. And I just go back and forth. I use the eyeball shape with my eyelids raised as a like guideline for where to put the brush. And then that just makes it, since I have hooded eyes, like so that skin doesn't get in the way. And that's the eyes. I'm just gonna add a quick swipe of Glossier mascara in Lash, well, it's called Lash Slick every goddamn time, I can't say it. I just really make sure I get in the root of the lash, wiggle as I go up. I'm just gonna make sure. Oh man. And then my skin is so pink when it's like a red or pink lipstick. I can't tell sometimes if it's like lipstick smudge or just my skin turning pink from me touching it, which is, you know, problematic. So I'm just gonna do the other lash and go back to my lipstick after, because I need that redness to go down if it's there. Alright, so this is the finished look. I just didn't want to do any blush because I know that this pink really just like brings the pink out in my cheeks, and if anything I would like maybe add a little concealer to my cheeks, but it's summer, so I'm not even gonna do that. This is just like a good, easy, quick, summer, fun and flirty look. Like, I love this kind of grandma color of lipstick. It's like a Schiaparelli pink and like a, just my grandma used to wear a color like this, and this is like the perfect, almost like modern bluish, like but not too blue and purpley version of this color. It's not a purple magenta, it's like a pink. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Welcome back after a week on sick leave. I guess that's welcoming myself back, but hope you enjoy. Check out the rest of my videos and subscribe for more. I upload on Mondays at 10 a.m.